Revival is spreading all over the world, and in Zimbabwe, we are witnessing the same as many young people are rising with a genuine passion for God. Today we bring you an update on the arrival of the host, Ambassador Rutendo, and the guest speaker, Apostle R.H. Pedzisi, at the July 2023 Night of Revival sounds in Gweru, Zimbabwe. Prophetic evangelism is becoming a huge force as many young ministers are joining forces on the vision and invading different cities with the wave of revival. It's all about Jesus Christ, and the body of Christ is uniting and becoming stronger and stronger.
Portion 7 giving to the church. 1, 2, 7 giving to the church. Mandate 7 giving to the church. Visions have been restored to the church. For the kings to be born, for the mountains to return, for the church to become like the plan of the ancients, for the church to become like the dream of the ancients, for the church to arise with the